Hello friends, welcome to episode 2 of my 2020 spring home tour. Today I'm going to be sharing my little girl's shared bedroom. Jenny Rose is 6 and Ellie Ray is 4 years old. I love to incorporate deep, rich, primitive colors to make their room feel cozy and comfortable. The Maisie bedding collection from VHC Brands offers that primitive country feel that I'm striving to achieve. Touches of greenery gives a hint of spring freshness, while the warmth of antique furnishings ground everything with a sense of historical charm. Early American prairie bonnets and faceless dolls remind us of times past. The black floral ditzy print on the bedskirt and window treatments offer the perfect feminine touch against these rusted quilts. This room wouldn't be complete without some of our handcrafted items built by their daddy, like our blanket crane and a primitive wall shelves. A spring print reminds us of the season we're celebrating. And this framed stitchery of the Lord's Prayer fills the room with His powerful presence. I will list many of the products mentioned in the description box below. Happy spring. Until the next episode, take care and God bless.